Oh, I saw your question on discussion board. It's from 7-4, number 9. Here you're using the normal curve to approximate for the binomial probability distribution. In a study of a medication, 11% of the patients gain weight as a side effect. Suppose, I guess I chopped it off here. Yeah, you're dealing with 458 patients. So, P is 11% and N is 458. Okay. You want to find P is probability of 50, your X equal 51. Use normal calculator. First of all, you got to calculate the mean standard deviation. So the mean would be 0.11 times 458 was 50.38, which goes here. Standard deviations, 458 times 0.11 times quantity 1 minus 0.11, which comes out to 6.696 roughly, which goes here. Since and I'm using Stat Crunch here, go into Stat calculators. I chose the normal calculator. I'm using the between because we're doing X equal 51. You got to do the correction for continuity for 51. You got to go a half on either side of it. 50 and a half, 51 and a half. So then you put in these four numbers and click compute, and you get the answer, which is this area here. Hope that helps.